Hey guys, Anthony B back with another video, and in this video, so a bit of a different video for you guys. I'm gonna be turning this table into a layout, and then I'm gonna make a part 2 of me actually turning it into a full table. And it's a time lapse, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do a voiceover and show you guys like how I made it and stuff. So I guess we'll just get right into it. So right here you can see me laying down the track and marking it so I know where not to put the sculptor mold, which I'll show you guys what sculptor mold is in a second here. So I'm just marking it with a Sharpie right now. So there's a sculptor mold. You mix this, I believe, 1 part sculptor mold and then 2 parts water, but you kind of mix it until it's like the consistency of like cottage cheese kind of. So there I am just mixing it, and then I put this down and I start laying the base because a forest floor isn't really flat. It's not really flat at all, just kind of like little bumps and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just laying down the sculptor mold. And then I started painting the base because I started painting it earth brown, kind of like the dirt, because after this I'm going to put on the static grass, and if I don't paint all of this under it, through the static grass you can see that it's white on the bottom, so that's why I'm putting a brown coat of paint over it. And then here you can see the paint already dried, and I'm putting on glue so I can put the static grass on here. So and then I went section by section, not really section by section. I just did one side, and then I'm gonna do the other side. And you can really kind of see it starts to come to life a little bit, and it'll really start to look good when I start putting in all the trees and all of the foliage and stuff. And you can see in that one little spot where I'm not putting any glue, I actually decided to put a little pond over there. So that's why I'm not putting any static grass in it. And here you see me start to make the pond. I'm using Elmer's glue, the clear. You use that for making slime. You can probably find it at Walmart or Myers. But I put some brown paint in it to kind of give it that murkiness of a pond in the forest. So here you see me start to put a flame over the glue, and that kind of helps it get rid of bubbles and stuff. But you gotta be very careful and make sure you don't light the static grass on fire. And here you see me start to lay all the ballast down. Here you see me adding a little bit more synthetic grass down because I can see through to the brown paint coat, so I just add a little bit more over that area. So here you see me adding some brown and black accents. It just kind of makes the ground pop a little bit, and I'm also adding some rocks around. So here you see me start to add some Woodland Scenics cement down, and I'm being very careful not to accidentally put it on the pond. And right here I'm adding some wet water. It's just 2 parts water, 1 part dish soap, and I put it on the ballast so the glue can penetrate through the first layer and make sure it's actually all stuck down. Here I am just putting down some train cars. I was gonna use them at first, but then I decided later to change the train cars. So I lost a little bit of footage. The hyperlapse didn't really work out. But here I am just adding a few trees in and stuff. And now I'm going back through and just gluing them all down. And there you see I changed the train cars. And right now I'm just adding some more rocks in for some more accents. And I've added in a little bit of clump foliage. And now you see I'm just adding some rocks around the perimeter of the pond. So here's the final result of what I've been working on. It took about 3 days to make, and it was really fun making. I'm gonna make another video on it. I'm gonna mod it so it's a real table. I'm probably gonna put LEDs on it and stuff, but yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button, and anyway, I'm out. Peace.